here. Welcome back to my channel. Josie's here. She just gave me a big old kiss on the face. She's really excited for today's video, right? Says, I've been waiting all day for this. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Barkbox for December 2020. There are many different tiers to a Barkbox subscription. I have the box that's about $20 a month. They also offer different boxes for different size dogs. I have the large breed variety here because I have a large German Shepherd named Josie, a large German Shepherd named Bronx, that's him right there. And then I have a medium-sized dog, which is this little one right here named Harley. You say hi? I have seen really no issues with Harley and getting the large breed box. So it says large breed. I feel like it's probably decent for a medium dog too. I will tell you, these toys are not destruction proof. They do have a super chewer box, which I've never gotten, but these toys in here typically don't last very long with my German Shepherds. There are a couple that seem to stand the test of time, but in general, if you're looking for toys that are going to last a long time and you have dogs like mine, you're probably not going to get that with this box. I know, it's okay. We're not mad about it. You're not in trouble for it. Okay, so inside the box, we're going to get 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and 1 chew stick sort of thing. All right, so warning you right now, if you are sensitive to loud noises, that's probably going to happen here any minute. There's going to be probably toy squeaking, possible barking, and a lot of whining. German Shepherds are a very whiny breed, right? There it is. That's not... Josie's very vocal. If you've ever watched any of my videos, you know that she's just a talkative girl, right? All right. Everybody really wants to open this up, so I won't prolong it any longer. Don't you dare knock that camera. Okay, let's just start. Okay, so the theme this month is Barkbox and Peanuts, like the Snoopy characters. All right, I'm going to show them and then I'll give you one. So the first one is Snoopy wearing a Christmassy pajama hat, and Josie's got him. I assume he may squeak, I don't know. Alright, so the next one I have is, I think, what's this guy's name? Woodstock? And he's wearing a wreath around his head. He's got a little, like, mohawk back here. You want that one, Harley? Harley got that. Oh, Josie took it. Josie did not like Snoopy. He's already to the side. But the Woodhouse one, like, crinkles, and I think he probably squeaks, too. Does this one squeak? Okay, there's a squeaker in there. Why don't you go get Woodstock? Alright. Now we'll get into the treats in here. So the first one is Schroeder's Chicken Symphony. It's a chicken recipe dog treat, and it's got a couple of the Peanuts characters on there. Well, one. That guy. I don't know their names. I'm sorry. I wasn't really into Peanuts. Stop. Okay, Bronx goes first because he's being the best behaved. He's a very gentle boy. I'll show you guys what the treats look like here in a second. Here you go. Har. Jose. Right there. Right. Jose. Right there. Oh my god. Okay, so the treat looks just like that. Like a little beef stick. It's kind of what I would describe it as. Everybody seemed to like them. I can usually tell by if my male German Shepherd Bronx likes it because he's a very picky eater, even with treats. So if he doesn't like it, I mean the other ones will because they're not picky, but that's generally how I judge treats. Okay, so the next one is Good Duck Chuck. Stop it. Stop. You need to be nice. So this is Good Duck Chuck. This is a duck recipe dog treat. And this one I think that's, I don't know who that is. What's her name? If you know, let me know. I don't know any of these people's names. I just know Charlie Brown. Stop. See how he's back there with the toys? He doesn't care about the treats as much. There you go. gentle. Okay, yeah, and this one is smaller. It's more like pebble shaped, I guess is what I'd call it. Little triangles. Good babies. Okay, and the last one I'm not going to give to them right now because they are meant to be chewed on, and if I break it up and give them separate pieces, this one will just demolish it. But they're like this. Stop, Josie. You can't have this. It's just plastic. But I save them up until I have 3 at a time, and then I give them each one. This is kind of how I do it. So they can probably have that later today, right? Okay, that's it. That's our Barkbox, guys. Okay, so I guess the Snoopy does have a squeaker. Harley found it back there. Go get your Woodstock. I think every toy that's in this room right now is from Barkbox. The Halloween one, this one was from October, and it seemed to last quite a while, if I can get it. This one. This isn't even new. It's not even new. He's the best behaved. My husband says it's because it's his dog. Huh. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. But yeah, everybody's just chewing away. Everybody's happy. Josie especially is going to get bored with that pretty soon, and then Bronx will carry it around. Harley and him are very much into toys. Josie's more into food, if I had to say. But anyways, that's all we have for today. I'm just going to let them play with their toys for a little bit. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Here, Bronx. If you want to see more videos from us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you in our next video. Right? Can you say bye? Can you speak? Bronx? Bronx, come here. Now she. Yeah, there we go. Josie, can you speak? Josie, sit. Speak. Say bye. Good girl. Good girl. All right. All right, bye, guys. Oh, Kids says thank you.